Hey guys, what is up? My name is Chloe. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my room and I'm honestly really excited. I love watching room tours and I've been really big into that, so I thought about it like, hey, I should film a room tour. But I finally added a few other things and cleaned it up really good. So I've put a lot of work into this video, so hopefully you guys watch it all the way through. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. I'll be posting once a week and I have a daily vlogging channel that you can check out in the description box down below. And without further ado, I'd hate to keep you waiting because my room I feel like is pretty cool. So with all that said, let's get into it. So guys, this is my room and there's a lot to it, but as you can see, it's like a fairy forest butterfly wonderland, which is exactly the vibe I was going for. So let's get into littler things throughout the room that I want to show you guys. So first is my door area. I have this really cute Echo Hope bag hanging on my door. I got this from church. I love it a lot. It was for my baptism. Over here, I have this big canvas that I literally got from Dollar General, and I'm not ashamed to say that it was literally $10. Really cute, and it matches the vibe of my room. I have really cute greenery attached and just strung along my door with little butterflies that you will literally see all over my walls, and I'm pretty sure they're from Walmart, but I will literally be linking everything on the screen or in the description box down below from where I got it and that type of stuff. To the left of my door, I have these really cute canvases on my wall that I got from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Really beautiful. I love them so much. And then below that, I have this nice nightstand that's wooden and it holds all these cute little things. I have my cup, this really cute succulent, which is probably my favorite succulent I have in my room. It's obviously fake. I have a few real plants that I will show you, but that one's fake. I have my candles, and then I have my wine glass. I don't drink wine, it's just for decoration, with my cute little flowers in that as well. So that's that little area right here. So here is my mirror. I have little 3D butterflies on the sides of both of my mirror with a different type of greenery being strung with some fairy lights all over it. Very cute. Same with this side over here. It's a really lovely mirror. I really love it a lot. Above my closet, I have this cute little wooden wall decor that my mom got me for Christmas. I have these little floating butterflies all around my room, which is just adorable and I love them a lot. If you guys want to know how I made them, you can check out my TikTok. I have a tutorial on there as well as a tutorial on my vlogging channel. Both will be in the description box down below and on the screen. Hanging from my curtain rod, I have these really cute hanging plants that my grandma made me for. She didn't obviously make the plants, but she made the little hangers for Christmas, and I love them so much. Unfortunately, my little one up there did die. I'm not the best at taking care of plants, but I try really hard because they're so cute. So under my window, I have this cute little stool that both of my little sloth stuffed animals sit on. It's not just a stool though. It looks like it's a drawer, but it isn't. I'll show you what it actually is. My uncle and my aunt made this for me for Christmas a few years ago. But basically, it's a craft drawer. So I have all kinds of little crafts in there of mine that I love so much. And I just kind of leave them in there for more like room and space and just a few like clutter underneath of it. But we'll act like that's not there. I then have my remote and my boyfriend's remote right here. And my TV, my PS4 Slim, and these cute little squishy guys acting like they're holding it up. They actually go on like a pin, but I perfectly set up the pins where it looks like they're holding up the PlayStation. To the left of that, I have this cute little succulent that is not real, it's fake. Above my TV, I have a boho dream catcher and some more greenery, flowers, butterflies, everything like that. But now we're gonna be getting on to the other side of my room, which is actually my favorite side of my room. So yeah, I have this cute little sloth hanging from these shelves that my dad made. My dad made these shelves and stained them for me and then put them up on my wall, which was so nice of him. And my mom actually decorated these shelves for me. Like, I did some of the decorating, but she did a lot of it. And all of this greenery came from Christmas because my mom knew I wanted to redo my room in this style. And so she decided to give me a lot of greenery and all kinds of different things like that to decorate my room in this style, because there's a few different things on Pinterest and images that inspired me to do my room the way that I did it. And so I'm very thankful for my mom and dad for helping me with this. So I do want to give you a closer look on my shelves. So I'm just gonna step up on my chair and here we are. So starting on the top shelf, I have this little K that stands for my name, this really cute picture frame that's like wooden and white with me and my boyfriend in it, this cute little cupcake. I just didn't know where to put it. I thought it was a cute spot. Another succulent and another succulent, and then a picture of me and my boyfriend, because like I said, I have scattered pictures all over my wall, especially of me and my boyfriend. I have this cute little wooden ball for decor. Actually, I have this like little squirrel that fell off of a plant, so 1 minute. I just put him in this big plant. I have this like really big plant that just kind of like falls. And then a little succulent and a candle holder. I have this little plant mister to water my real plants. I have this fake succulent with a little strawberry charm, regular like little toys that are really cute. I have this plant right here, which I just love because of this texture right here on the base. Also, I have this little frog inside that I actually made. So I love making clay in my free time. I saw some really cute frogs that inspired me on TikTok. I didn't come up with this. I will show you guys the video right now, or just put it on the screen, of the person that actually already made the frogs. And I just kind of copied off of her idea because I thought it was so cute. So there he is, just chilling in the plant. Next to that, I have this sign named Grace. Right on the top shelf, I have K and then Grace, and it stands for khloe.gracee. That's my middle name, so I think that's really cute. Also, I just like the term Grace. I just think that's sweet. Right above that, I have pictures of myself. Not to be conceited, it's just supposed to be kind of like, I don't know, art. I like the fact that around here is greenery, matches my room. This is like my favorite picture of myself just because it looks like art. It literally looks like a painting. Next to that, I have my little old-time Polaroid. I have some little books, The Sun and Her Flowers, my scribble diary, just some cute little things here and there. And then I have this plant right here, a fake plant again, but inside I have my little mushroom friend that I made out of clay. So you'll see my little clay friends that I have scattered around on my shelves. I have another little sloth, but this is a little holder for a little white flower that I have, which is so cute. So I love my shelves so much. But now moving on to the second shelf over here. So as you guys can see, I have two other succulents. Succulents all over the place. Plants, succulents. I didn't mean to say succulents, they're obviously plants. I have this cute little bear inside of that one. Another picture of me and my boyfriend. Greenery strung all over all of these little shelves. And then I have a cute little brown candle. I have this canvas of pictures of me and my boyfriend that he got for me for Christmas last year, which is so sweet. I love it so much. It's like one of the biggest pieces on my shelf other than this little guy here. So then over here at the last part of the second shelf, I have this little moon lamp that doesn't work anymore, unfortunately, because when it works, it looks really cool. I have these two little books that this little tree guy is sitting on top of. I love this little guy because he literally is so cute. He reads books on his little tree throne with like, I just think that's so cute. Next to that, I have like a succulent, some flowers, a real aloe vera plant in that yellow smiley planter. So I try to water him every other day so he doesn't die. And then two little books that it's sitting on, which I just think is so cute, with a picture right above that of me and my boyfriend. Now for underneath of that, I have this little cute like butterfly chart that I got from Michael's. I have this big plant over here in the corner of the room, which is just kind of like a statement piece. I think it's really good right there. And then I have my desk, which I do a lot with. I have a lot of makeup in it. I have all kinds of other things that it's just holding random items underneath and on top of my desk. And so this is my chair. I covered up with this really soft blanket, this really soft and squishy pink pillow, and this really soft, cute boba tea squishmallow. So I want to tell you guys a really cool story about this pillow. Yesterday at Goodwill, I was looking around shopping. I also got my whole outfit from Goodwill, which I love it. And while I was looking around, I had to take a double take in the stuffed animal section because I literally found a $30 stuffed animal find at Goodwill for $6. I looked this tag up online and it said the original price is $30, and then at Goodwill this guy was $6. So that's such a lucky find. He's so cute and I love him so much. Just fits the vibe of my room so nicely. So then here's my desk. My desk is a little dirty, that's why I have this covering it. On my desk I have my baptism CD with some cute little Polaroids of me and my boyfriend behind it, and like the Bible and stuff. I have this really cute regular plant. It actually had a different plant in it, but I planted this one in it because the one that it had in it, take a guess, it died. It died, but I put a new thing in it and it's actually really cute. It's a purple little plant that my mom had. She's like, you can just put this in it. Next to that, I have this little mirror that I use for more of an in-depth look at my makeup when I'm doing it. It has my AirPods and my other headphones in that as well, just to hold it in there. I didn't really know what else to put inside of that. Obviously, I have my iPad just chilling on my desk. I have this cute little holder with like lens wipes, my little ring, this little hair clip, and my favorite eyelash curler ever, which eyelash curlers are so crucial to my makeup routine. Above that, I have cute little organizers right here. I have some hair lightener, just some hair product. This holds more jewelry. This is a cute little face mask, more jewelry, batteries, just random stuff, tacks, hair clips. And then on this little organizer, I have a lot of fake glasses, which I love them so much. Acne tools, more Polaroids, my old iPhone, and just literally random things, my prayer box. It's just like holders for everything, so yeah. Underneath of my dresser, I have all kinds of hair products. I have this like brown dye and some gloves because I'm literally gonna be dyeing my Converse brown. I'm so excited. Check out more details of that on my vlog channel coming soon. In here, I have all kinds of just perfumes, lotions, all things like that. In here, I have bras, scrunchies, and, you know, girly things. So above my dresser, I have this really cute mirror that I got for Christmas, and I'm so happy about it. It's beautiful, and I love it so much. So here it is. It just lights up. It's touch, so you just do this. Around that, I have these little butterflies that I got from Walmart that are mirrored too. So I just think it's so cute. It's mirror butterflies and a mirror. I think it's just like the most perfect setup and I love it so much. One of my favorite parts of my room. And then it like lights up my shelves, so pretty. It's really great. Then I have some more little butterflies that I made dangling from my ceiling. You'll see those everywhere. Then over here, I have my door. This door leads out to my balcony. This is my balcony. This is my view. It's so pretty. I have my door. I have these cute little beads just hanging on my door. I have this really cute, simplistic flower decor above my door that my mom gave me. I love it a lot. And then over here, I have this big hanging plant with just twinkle lights inside of it. This hanging plant was literally from Goodwill for like 10 bucks, maybe 5. Next to that, I have these 3 little square boxes ranging in different sizes. I have a succulent and a cute little, look at little plants in there. I love it so much. They're both fake, obviously. In this one, I have a sloth with my rings on it. I have me and my boyfriend right here, some more butterflies on the wall, this little sticker, this little thing here holding all of my necklaces. I have this little LED lamp light that actually changes colors, so I'll show you right now if I want to change it to pink. I have this little hand mold of me and my boyfriend that we got done in Texas. I love it so much. And then my little cloud LED lamp, why do I not know? Clock, it's a clock. In my cubbies, I have all of my little markers, some Bible study books, my favorite Bible, which is so beautiful. Look at that. Like I showed you guys, I have all of this greenery twinkling like right above my bed, so the view of laying on my bed and looking up is so nice. So yeah, this is what my bed looks like. I just have this really fluffy, like neutral colored comforter, this lighter color, this like lighter blanket, like lighter weight blanket, this little cheetah print mini cover, all kinds of pillows, this fluffy white one, a big fluffy one. We just got all kinds of pillows up in here. So guys, that was my room. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing everything I have in it, all the little details of my room. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more videos of the trending topic like this, comment down below, subscribe, share, and like the video. Also, check out the description box because I have my daily vlogging channel there where I vlog every single day. So with all that said, hopefully you enjoyed. I will be back next week with another bomb video that y'all want to see. Just comment down below, you know? So even if it's like a, hey, I watched the video, let me know. I love seeing it. With that said, I will see you all next week. Bye.